Welcome to our channel. In this post, we have collected your top 99 satisfying agriculture machines and smart tools that can bring undeniable workmanship to you today. With such advanced machines and tools working on it, the farm is more productive and these agricultural machinery while working provide a great experience. So, let's have a peek at these amazing agri-tech items. One of the most iconic pieces of farm equipment is the combine harvester, so let's begin with that. A working combine harvester can be a hypnotic sight, performing the roles of cutter, thresher, and cleaner in one continuous process. These equipped machines with GPS and yield mapping technology make sure that nothing is left on the field, therefore increasing the crop yield at the maximum possible level. Next is the precision planters. These are precision planters, designed to place seeds at the right depth and distance from each other, thereby enabling all plants to grow at the same rate at the same time. The precision to which these planters work is really satisfying to view. Shoveling, however, has been largely replaced with laser-guided modern planters that can distribute accurate volumes of seeds with the right depth, and uses individual row meters and GPS for each seed to minimize waste and maximize production. Then of course you have the automated irrigation systems. These systems are wonderful at reducing the amount of water lost to evaporation and runoff by delivering water right to the roots of the plant. Seeing these systems at work, delivering the exact amount of water you set them to, is so gratifying knowing you are saving water and feeding your plants properly. The baler can also be a satisfying machine to watch. Today's balers can bale hay, straw, or other crop bales to any density level accurately. The large, round hay bales that roll such machinery are neat to see in action, especially the contraptions that shape and wrap the hay right into the bale. The process is nothing short of agricultural TikTok. Field sprayers, let's get a load to go. These have GPS-guided systems and variable rate technology to apply fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides with accuracy. The uniformity of sprays glistening in the air caught by drones, all across the fields, isn't just beautiful, it's something that's repeating itself all over the planet, and shows how technology helps save the environment. Modern plows and cultivators of soil are particularly notorious. They come with depth control systems and changeable shanks, enabling them to disturb the soil in the best possible manner before planting. Impeccable furrow alignment and the soft turning of soil is at once pleasant to the eye and necessary for healthy crops. An equally pleasing range of machines are the many forms of harvesters. Some equipment, like a potato harvester, is designed to carefully lift up potatoes from the ground to reduce bruising. It is so gratifying to see them being harvested and sorted, all clean and unmarked. Sugar beet harvesters are designed to efficiently remove beets from the ground and are yet another fine example of the might and precision of agricultural machinery. Robotic milking systems are the way dairy farming is done for sure. These are the systems in which cows are allowed to be milked automatically, following their natural milking patterns. Seeing the robotic arms clean and milk the cows with exactness is oddly pleasing and a look at what the future of automated farming will look like. In poultry farming, automated feeding systems are used to feed chickens with desired feed, regular intervals for better growth fodder in the shed. The way in which these feeders consistently work so accurately is truly a spectacle to witness, helping your fish to grow with. Good health whilst also aiding in waste management. Egg collection systems likewise transport the eggs of laying hens securely from the laying area to a storage area whilst maintaining egg quality and minimizing breakages. An additional demonstration of farming resourcefulness are the present-day grain storage systems. This allows for round-the-clock monitoring of storage conditions with both temperature and moisture sensors on the grain bins. These machines help regulate the airflow, keeping the grains fresh and ensuring safe and efficient storage. It is very satisfying to see these systems working, knowing that the quality of the harvest has been preserved. Tree harvesters cutting, delimbing, and sectioning trees with extreme accuracy, forwarders transporting logs while minimizing soil disruption. It's enthralling to see these machines do their work so efficiently and ingeniously. That also does not include many of the smaller tools and machines used in agriculture. For smaller plots or gardens, handheld seeders are able to provide more precise seed placement. These tools, along with their careful operation, enable the planting of a level seedbed and timely crop emergence. Automated weeding machines have advanced sensors and cameras that are able to detect and remove weeds without damaging the crops. Seeing them zoom along the fields, banishing undesired plants, is a stark reminder of how far we have come in terms of reducing the need for human muscle to do the hard work. Moreover, in animal husbandry, automated feed and cleaning equipment is changing how content is delivered. The system maintains a routine of care and nutrition for animals, which in turn helps their health, productivity. This speaks to the sophistication and accuracy these systems have reached in the modern age of agricultural tech. Moreover, the greenhouse robotic systems also deserve a highlight. These robots are able to perform planting, watering and harvesting with an incredible level of precision. Looking at these robots work the land as a dip into the pool of agriculture 4.0 that combines efficiency and sustainability in a cocktail. Modern farming is slowly shifting to full automation, and at this rate, drones have a lot to show for it. Drones can be equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors to monitor crop health, assess soil conditions, and even apply treatments with high precision. Drones provide farmers with an aerial view of their fields that allows them to see more of their fields at once and make better decisions. This has been another wild ride through the land of satisfying ag machines and clever tools. Thanks for coming along for the journey. Comprised of the most innovative machines and tools in ag today, these 99 products drove efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. If you liked this video, give a like or share it to your friends. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Watch out our next journey into agricultural technology.